Hi, in this particular video, we would be specifically discussing all the elements that are available for an admin to customize for their event and use. Starting with the very first element, we have the map segment, which basically shows you the whole layout of an event, basically broadcasting all the elements that are available for the delegates and any member whoever joins the event to use. Currently visible on screen is the pictorial representation of the map area. We also have a 2D block layout as well. So in the pictorial representation, you can see all the elements present on our left hand side are available to access directly from the map segment. So this is the 2D block layout I was mentioning. Accordingly, an admin member has the access to customize as per their needs. They can simply drag and drop the elements present here and accordingly customize their map layout for the event. Also, all the elements present here are accessible from the map area as well. Any user can simply tap on the elements present and accordingly access them, be it a VIP lounge area, be it a premium booth, or any session that has been listed, or the networking table as well. Moving on, we have the stage area. The stage area wherein all the sessions that have been updated for any event are listed here, and accordingly the status of any particular session is also available. So you can see currently the very first session is starting shortly. Similarly, once any particular speaker goes live on that particular session, the status would automatically change to live, and once a particular session ends, you'll have the status ascended. We also have the option to filter out sessions as per days of any particular event. We can simply tap on the elements present here in order to filter out on which particular day how many sessions have been planned out. Moving on, we have the lobby segment. Lobby segment basically allows us to network via text messages. Any user can simply tap on the message icon in order to initiate a conversation with all the members present on an event. Here we also have the option to exchange business card via the attachment icon. They can simply tap on the business card option and accordingly with the details updated for any individual's profile, the business card is exchanged. In order to view details of any particular person, they can simply tap on their icon and accordingly they can view the details. Admins also have the option to block any user from the event. They can simply tap on the block icon in order to block them, and also in any case if they want to unblock them, all the users are present in blocked users area and accordingly they can be unblocked as well. All the chats initiated with the members throughout the event are present in the chats icon. Accordingly, the search option can be used either to search within chats or also amongst the users who have logged in into the event. Moving on, we have the network segment. In the networking area, basically, we have a functionality to brand the tables. You can simply tap on the settings icon to brand, update images, and accordingly update the title of any particular image. And the table sizes can also be updated, varying on different subscriptions. Any user can simply tap on grab seat in order to get on a visual confrontation with any of the members who have joined a particular table. They also have option to make any discussion private, and also at any point of time, even if the table is at full capacity, people have the option to watch a particular table. Next, we have the VIP area. Herein, all the speakers, hosts, moderators that have been listed under a particular event are present, and the delegates who have entered the event can get on a visual confrontation or initiate a text conversation with them from the VIP area as well. If the speaker host moderator is available in the VIP area, they can simply tap on grab meeting and enter their room to directly discuss and network. Or they also have the option to drop a message by simply tapping on the message icon and accordingly initiate a conversation and also share their business cards. Moving on, we have the booth segment. Here, all the booths are listed with respect to all the exhibitors that have been updated for any particular event. Delegates can simply tap on enter to enter the booth. Here we have two segments with respect to any particular exhibitor booth. We have a wait room which acts as a reception desk for any particular exhibitor, and further the delegates who have entered a particular booth can be invited into individual meeting rooms to further network and interact. Moving on, we have the help desk segment. Here, all the admins that have been updated for any particular event, the event administrators are present, and accordingly, at any point of time during the event, any delegate wants to reach out for a particular query or any kind of issues that they are facing with the floor platform or with the event, they can simply reach out to the individuals present here. Here also we have the similar option to enter their room to get on a visual confrontation and interact, and they can also leave a message to the admin members. We also have instruction videos that can be updated in the help desk section. These are customizable and can be updated from organizer's end as well if required. We have the social feeds option. Here the delegates can update their messages throughout the event. They can simply enter their message and tap on post, and accordingly all the delegates can interact during the event or during any session. Thank you.